Hi everyone. Today I'm here to show you how to use the Pokémon GO Spoofer, an exciting tool that opens up new ways to enjoy the game. From teleporting to rare locations to using a joystick for easy navigation, this spoofer works seamlessly on both iOS and Android. No computer required. Let's get started. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Always play responsibly and follow Pokémon GO's terms of service to ensure fair gameplay for everyone. Key features of the Pokémon GO Spoofer: teleportation. Instantly jump to any location on the map. Joystick control. Navigate freely in the game without moving physically. Catch rare Pokémon. Access Pokémon that are otherwise unavailable in your region. Global raids. Participate in battles with trainers worldwide. Pokéstops anywhere. Collect resources from Pokéstops globally. How to install Pokémon GO Spoofer? Open your preferred browser, Safari, Chrome, etc. Go to rxgem.com.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me.
Use the search bar to find Pokémon GO Spoofer and click download now.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
During the installation process, you'll need to download 2 additional apps. Follow their instructions to complete the setup. Best practices for safe use. Avoid frequent location changes to stay under the radar. Use the joystick in moderation to simulate natural movement. Follow the cooldown period of 24 hours when teleporting between distant locations. Once installed, open Pokémon GO and access these amazing features. Teleport, explore new regions and catch exclusive Pokémon. Joystick, move through the game effortlessly. Raid battles, join raids in any part of the world for special rewards. Collect items, spin Pokéstops from faraway places. And that's it. With the Pokémon GO Spoofer installed, you can take your gameplay to the next level. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment below sharing your experience or asking any questions. Thanks for watching and enjoy the adventure.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing so